Hey guys, welcome. Eric here, product specialist with TOA Electronics. What a great day, what a great opportunity to be here at Emergence Church here with Greg from OutreachFX. We are going to be doing a walkthrough of a Lenubio installation. Very exciting stuff. Guys, stay tuned. You're gonna wanna watch this. All right, Greg, so tell me more on the need for a TOA Lenubio here at Emergence Church.
So as a church, they were facing the same things that many other institutions were facing in the midst of the COVID crisis of how do we get our staff and how do we get our people the opportunity to meet digitally, and especially as restrictions began to lessen, how do we find a hybrid model where some staff have to be at home, some staff need to be in the office? How do we find the right solution for that at a budget that we could afford? And so the Lenubio just seemed like the perfect opportunity for them to be able to move into a hybrid staff model and a hybrid church model to meet the needs of their congregation.
Okay, Greg, tell me more about the space that we're installing in today.
So today we're installing in one of our small conference rooms, and that conference room is designed traditionally for small gatherings of 4 or 5 people to get together and study the Bible or do something along those lines. And now that needs to be able to happen both in person and digitally. And so once again, the Lenubio just was a perfect fit for allowing people to be in the room as well as attend digitally.
So what were your biggest challenges when installing the Lenubio in this space?
So the installation of the Lenubio was super simple. It took our staff only a few hours to install the entire system, get it completely formatted and set up in a manner that the congregation could immediately walk in and start using it.
Greg, what was it like to train the staff here at Emergence Church on the Lenubio installation? And then what was it like for the Lenubio integration with the current equipment?
So training the staff here at Emergence was super simple. So much of the system is plug and play that it really just took me a few minutes to explain to them how to change a few settings in their Zoom calls, and they were good to go. And I've had very few phone calls, very few issues since it's been installed of people trying to figure out how to go. Once it's been set up on their system once, they know how to do it, and they can walk in and just go right at it without any issues at all. As far as integrating in with current systems, we've actually installed 3 different systems throughout the church for them, and in 2 of those cases, it was as simple as hooking a web camera and the Lenubio together and giving them an HDMI cord that they can plug right into their computer, and it was a plug-and-play, very simple system, very easy to use, very simple to train, very simple to understand. In one of the systems, we had to integrate with some other applications. Once again, it was as simple as plugging it in, took a few minutes to configure, and we were good to go, and no extra time in training the staff on how to use it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It was a great opportunity to be here to watch the Lenubio installed at Emergence Church from start to finish. Remember, guys, new podcasts coming every single week. Please be sure to tune in. My name is Eric, product specialist here at TOA. Click the link below. We'll see you next week.